Hello everyone, and how are you all doing? It's great to see you all again. I'm really happy you came back. If you're new to the channel, well, welcome. As you saw from the thumbnail, today we're going to make a simple grilled cheese, but we're going to push it just that little bit further. There's nothing wrong with your classic grilled cheese. I did a video on it before, and it's just so good. But today, I want to go, like I say, that little bit more. I was watching a vlog from some of my friends. They were over at the Florida State Fair, and they got this grilled cheese that I knew I had to make. And very simply, we are going to make a jalapeno popper grilled cheese sandwich. Really easy. Most of the stuff you might have at home already. If not, very easy to find. Easy to make with any grilled cheese sandwich. The whole thing to remember is don't rush it. Cook over a low heat. Give the cheese a chance to melt. Your toast to get that nice golden brown. And in this case, we're going to be adding some bacon and some jalapenos. Wouldn't be a jalapeno popper without the jalapenos. As far as cheeses go, we've got some mozzarella, some cheddar, and cream cheese, which of course you have to have in a jalapeno popper. I think it's law. Now, if you don't want to do the spicy, if you don't want to go the hot route, if you don't like cream cheese, if you don't like mozzarella or cheddar, change it up for the cheeses you like. There's nothing wrong with that. The technique and everything will be the same. So, without waiting anymore, because I'm starving, let's get into this. So as I said, we have our old cheddar cheese, we have our mozzarella. Now, normally I would grate these, but I have torn this place apart. I cannot find my grater anywhere. So I just sliced them all really, really thin. Cream cheese we don't have to worry about. That we're just going to smear on. Our bacon, we partially cooked already because it'll finish cooking as we make our sandwich. And for the bread, I didn't want to just use regular toast. Anyone can do that. Texas toast. More specifically, garlic Parmesan garlic bread or Texas toast. So we are taking the cheese all the way out there. We're adding that garlic kick to it to go with the jalapeno. It's all going to sort of be blended out a bit with the cream cheese and all. So we are going to switch cameras here. And hopefully, with any luck, our other camera is recording now. So, hi guys. Let's start with our toast. Like I said, we are doing it on this gorgeous Texas toast garlic bread. And with, whoops, turned on the wrong burner. There we go. So we are doing it with this beautiful garlic toast. Now what's nice with this, of course, every time I'm recording, my phone starts. So we are doing it with this really nice garlic Parmesan toast. What's nice is we don't have to butter it. We don't have to really do much to it. Try and make this as easy as we can, as quick as we can, because like I said, I want to eat. And we'll start off with our cream cheese. Not going to go crazy with the cream cheese, but I want to know it's there. So, almost going to the edges. There we go. Next one, we're making 2 of these. I was trying to find some Texas toast that was a bit larger, but couldn't find it, so we'll just make 2. On the side here, which you'll see shortly, I have my fry pan warming up. A little bit of butter in there just because every little bit helps sometimes. Next, we need the jalapenos. Again, as much or as little as you like. I'm using pickled jalapenos, but you can use fresh if you're brave enough. And get those in there. I should have taken maybe these out of the jar first, eh? They're slippery little suckers when you're trying to get out. There we go. Give our little fingers a wipe. Next, there's no right or wrong order to this. Do it however you like, but I'm going to go with the cheddar cheese. Now, I've cut probably more cheese than I need here, but that's okay. It's a little snack to eat while it's cooking. Then we're going to go with some of our bacon. Oh, like already this is looking so good. This bacon I just, like I said, cooked up in the air fryer really quick before we started shooting. Like I said, we have our pan here with the butter melting, and we're cooking this all over low heat. Next, we're going to get our mozzarella on there, and this will be part of the glue, so to speak, to hold all this together. The key to this was cutting it nice and thin, and then we're going to put our tops on. So we haven't done anything hard here at all. We're just going to sort of give that a little push to hold it all in place. Same thing there. Now we've got greasy fingers because it is garlic bread already. What we're going to do here is take a really quick pause. We're going to spin the camera around so you can now see the fry pan, and we're going to go from there. So give me a sec. We'll be right back. It was only a couple of minutes for me, just while we made sure we didn't have any shadows there. So let's get our first one in. Our second one in. And try and keep all that cheese in there. And now, just like any other grilled cheese, we're just cooking this till it warms through. So, nothing special here. We're going to put on a little music. We're going to let you enjoy the sight of this getting brown. And just sit back, relax, enjoy the tunes. We'll speed this up, and we'll let you know how long it took for this all to cook through. So we'll see you all in a few. beautiful, hot, gooey grilled cheese sandwiches, our jalapeno popper grilled cheese. Let's take a cut, see what it looks like inside. Oh, just look at that steam coming out of there. You see all that there. I'll show you guys up here. Just look at that. The steam. My hand is shaking because I'm almost afraid to bite into this. But we've got the jalapenos, we've got the bacon, we've got the two types of cheese in the sandwich. We've got the Parmesan in the garlic bread. And we got a cheese bowl. That is so good. There is no way to put it. You bite into it, you get that garlic bread, you get that crispness, you get that crunch of it. Of course, you get the taste of the garlic. Then you hit the cream cheese. It's sort of nice, smooth, balances everything. Then you get the tartness of those pickled jalapenos and a little bit of heat. Not a lot. The cream cheese does cool it down. But the smokiness of the bacon, the saltiness of the other cheeses. Oh my god. You guys know I've done a lot of videos. This by far, I think, is one of my favorites. This is incredible. This is going into my weekend repertoire of things I have to make. I am going to wrap up this video. 2 reasons. 1, there's nothing else to show you. 2, I want to eat all this. So, until next time, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and make sure the bell is turned on so you know when I come out with new videos. Leave me a comment, please. That's the best way for YouTube to know that you like what I'm doing. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you would do with this. Tell me your favorite toppings or your favorite fillings in a grilled cheese. And most of all, hit that like button. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Take care of yourself. Take care of your loved ones. And we will see you all again real soon. Bye.